To the latest numbers now today, the state reports more than 2,600 new COVID cases in the islands. Just under 2,000 are on Oahu. 303 on Maui, 156 on the Big Island, 111 on Kauai, 33 on Molokai, 18 on Lanai, and 56 residents diagnosed out of state. There are nearly 30,000 confirmed active cases in the islands, and the statewide average test positivity rate is nearly 18%.
To help curb the spread of the coronavirus, a new restriction for large indoor gatherings on Oahu is set to go into effect on Monday. KITV4's A'ali'i Duklo explains the new rule and why event organizers he spoke to agree with it.
Indoor events with 1,000 or more guests will have to operate at half capacity. Honolulu Mayor Rick Blangiardi says many events were already canceled over the New Year's weekend.
Yesterday, the OIA announced no spectators. We didn't tell them to do that. Wildwood Symphony canceled their concerts, and the list goes on. And that's judgment. And we would rather have people who are operating in those areas make those decisions for themselves.
Deciding to reschedule large indoor events is how staff at the Hawaii Theater Center say they're doing their part to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. President Gregory Dunn says they've rescheduled 3 since New Year's Eve, a loss of $50,000, putting 150 staff out of work.
We had planned that certain shows were going to have to be rescheduled when we knew that the hospitalization numbers were increasing and going up. And so we were prepared for the mayor's announcement today and are certainly taking the necessary steps.
Event promoter Rick Bartolini organized the Bill Maher comedy show at the Blaisdell on New Year's Eve. Bartolini doesn't have any other performances scheduled until the summer, so he's not too worried about the new restriction. But he is calling on the public to get vaccinated so these rules become unnecessary.
Those folks that have made the decision not to be safe are essentially, holding the global economy back and the economy here in the state.
The capacity limit is set to expire at the end of the month unless COVID hospitalizations continue to climb. Outdoor gatherings may still operate with no capacity limit. A'ali'i Duklo, KITV4 Island News.